All right, today I have an Apple Watch and I'm going to show you how to get to the calculator app on an Apple Watch. I use the calculator feature quite often in order to add up things like 1 plus 1 and 2 times 2. So I use it quite often, and in order to get it, you'll want to get inside your phone. So it says enter passcode. So I'm going to enter my passcode really quickly. And so once I entered my passcode, I'm going to get to the app by simply coming onto the side to see where this wheel is, and I'm going to tap it and press it in. And so once it goes in, I'm able to go down, scroll down. I can either go like this or whatever, or use this wheel. But it gets me to the calculator. All right, so once I get to the calculator, I can just simply tap on that. And voila, right there, I can do my addition that I do daily. What is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals, oh, cool. That was a good answer. So that is how you get to the calculator app. And when you're done with that, go ahead and press clear. And then you can just tap the side again, and you're outside of the calculator app. I hope this video was helpful in getting you to use your calculator on your watch, Apple Watch. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Watching. No pun intended.